And why Victoria Falls is memorable is, on the one, you already have a rush. On the one side, you have like the world's largest waterfall pouring with an intensity and sound that it douses everything.
Hmm.
And in that sound, your heart is beating faster. In that sound, your heart is beating louder than that sound because only you can hear it. When you're standing on the edge, you can see that falls, and then you're like, even in this sound, I'm able to hear my heart beat. Even I remember that moment standing on the edge when I was thinking this very weird thought, and I was thinking to myself, what a weird thought before jumping. Like, from Livingstone Island. Now, if I were to go to the Victoria Falls, all my life I've known I want to do the Devil's Pool. What is
Hmm.
Devil's Pool? For 3 months of the year, in the dry season of the world's largest falls, which is also one of the seven natural wonders, there is a way to get to the top of the falls. And in the top of the falls, there is a natural infinity pool, which is nothing but when you jump into the pool, it takes you to the lip of the Victoria Falls, which is a naturally formed rock lip at the edge of the falls, from where you can look down and see the most majestic, powerful falls falling down. You can't hear anything. The noise levels are so high that if ever you're wearing a watch, it would shoot it a volume warning saying noise levels, unhealthy levels. That's how powerful the
Yeah,
falls are.
like I mean, the gallons of so many tons of gallons of waterfall per second. ऐसे कुछ एक crazy number होता है उधर तो.
And you're watching this from the lip. That's why it's called the Devil's Pool. It's
I like the
very
naming of it as
crazy.
well, man.
And so from your Livingstone Island, you drive into the national park, which is the Victoria Falls National Park. There, you hike into this island called the Livingstone Island.
Mhm.
Then from there, you take a boat ride on the Zambezi. And at one point, you disembark from the boat and you got to swim through the Zambezi to get to one particular point, which is the jumping point. And some parts of the swim are so forceful that it involves going through a rope. And all of this, at max, it has to be only four people with two guides,
Oh.
because the force of the falls is so high that at some point, if the guide is not actually maneuvering you the right way, you can just go off. I
Hmm.
mean, we're talking about Zambezi and Victoria Falls.
Yes,
They're
exactly.
probably
Like,
some of the most
hmm.
powerful landscapes in the world, right? So,
Yes.
and all of this is unreal because you got to leave. I think we left by 4:30 a.m. in the morning, because by that period between 6:30 to 8:30, we know when you get to the Devil's Pool, you see a rainbow, a double rainbow, if you're very lucky, that connects Zambia to Zimbabwe.
Oh
Because
my God.
outstanding. Uh, and I remember finally when we got to the lip of that pool, and the guy said, jump in. Classic accent. He's like,
Yes.
jump in. I was like, what do you mean jump
Like,
in?
where do I jump into?
What are you saying jump in? What? And it's going, the falls is just flowing, and he's like, I'll show you. And he jumped in, and he got carried away by the falls. And at one point, it stopped because that's where there is a natural infinity pool formation at the lip. You can't see it because it's under the water.
Shit, oh my God, I'm going crazy,
And
yaar.
he just said, jump in. And four of us are there. We are like, jump in. Okay. And, and then he said, but jump to the left. If you jump to the right, it will take you to the point where there is no infinity pool down. So you go down into the falls. That's it. So you got to
Oh,
make
that's
sure
it.
that he'll teach you how to jump. You got to
Hmm.
jump to the left, which will take you in the direction of the infinity pool part. If you float away, or if you jump wrongly, or if you at some point don't maneuver yourself with his help, you'll go in the wrong direction because the force is so powerful, and you'll go in the point where there is no boundary. You'll go into the falls, right? It's literally like this.
I get it, yeah. Oh my God.
So he parks himself, and there's the other guy who's standing at the lip, and this guy's parked himself in the middle to make sure that if you jump wrong, at least he's there to
He'll
push you
be,
back.
yank you back. Hmm.
Yeah, yank you back. You just leap, and then you just let the falls take you, and then it takes you to the tip, and on the tip you just suddenly stop, and then you're like, is this magic or
Like,
what?
how did I
And
stop? How did this happen?
you look down, you're on top of the natural wonder, the world's largest Victoria Falls, and you can see the falls beating down with a force, and
Unreal.
you're
It's
able to see that
unreal.
there's a rainbow, a double rainbow that's formed exactly at that moment, connecting Zambia to Zimbabwe from where you are. And there are people on the Zimbabwe side who you can actually see, who are looking at you and wondering what magical spot is this that they are able to be there, because there they are behind a railing watching the falls,
Yeah,
and I
yeah.
am on the falls in it looking down at it. It was so memorable, and some of the pictures and videos from there, that place, the rainbow, to me everything feels like, most of these places I just feel like, did I really go there? Was it a real place? And that's why I keep reliving it, because when I look at the pictures I just feel like, I don't know how many touch woods I do, how much gratitude I feel, because yeah,
No,
it's
really,
like,
man. I mean, even this, so most of your stories, I'm really like zipped. I'm just imagining. I've seen videos of this. Okay, I've seen videos of people jumping in, and when you're saying the person saying, "Hey, jump in," the way the guides,
yeah,
call them in, and then they do a backflip and jump in. But it's a small, it's
pool.
a, yeah, it's a small pool. So you
It's
would
very,
actually have the crazy fear of, and jumping in, whatever, like, हल्का सा 1 millimeter इधर हो जाए, 1 centimeter उधर हो जाए.
it's very dangerous, I can tell you that
It's
also, because I
just, I
won't
think
say that,
it's
oh, it's fully safe. It's not, because the power of the water there is so unexpected, and it's a waterfall. It's the largest, most powerful waterfall.
and it's natural. So it's not like it's
You
artificial,
just don't know where the
man-made.
current
Yeah,
is, yeah.
correct, correct.
So it's not the safest, but the fact is, it is an experience. It's there to be explored, and yeah, that's why I'm so full of that moment when I was on the lip after I jumped. I'm actually lying down there on the lip in one of my pictures, and the waterfall is pouring down, and the rainbow is like starting literally on me. To some, I don't know. I just even now feel like, was it me? That's just so much of gratitude I feel. I can't tell you.
Yeah,
I when I even recount these experiences in my mind, all I
you'll
feel
choke
like
up,
is,
man. Yeah, I
yeah,
know.
God, thank you for even like helping me experience these. I had a list in my head, doesn't mean it needs to
Yeah,
come to life.
correct.
But
You
yeah,
travel all the way there. Suddenly, oh,
yeah,
sorry, today's like a very
yeah,
crazy weather day. We're not doing it. What do you do?
yes.
Yeah. Oh my God. Which months of the year did you say this Devil's Pool is actually accessible?
From August 15th to about October 15th.